Welcome to today's podcast, where we explore the fascinating world of essential oils. It's incredible how these natural remedies can transform our health and well-being, don't you think?
Absolutely. Essential oils have been used for centuries, and their benefits are truly remarkable. From boosting mood to improving sleep, they offer a wide array of solutions.
Speaking of mood, have you ever tried diffusing citrus oils? They're known for uplifting spirits. It's like a burst of sunshine in a bottle.
I have, and it's amazing how just a few drops can change your entire atmosphere. Citrus oils really do have a way of energizing the mind.
Let's talk about lavender oil. It's famous for its calming effects, perfect for relaxation after a long day, wouldn't you agree?
Definitely. Lavender is my go-to for stress relief. Just inhaling its aroma can be so soothing and helps to unwind.
And tea tree oil. It's a powerhouse for skin health with its natural antiseptic properties. Have you used it for any skin concerns?
Yes, tea tree oil is fantastic for treating blemishes. Its antibacterial qualities make it indispensable in my skincare routine.
Essential oils also have a profound impact on emotional wellness. Their aromas can trigger brain responses, affecting mood and emotions. Isn't that fascinating?
It truly is. The connection between scent and emotions is powerful. Eucalyptus, for instance, provides a refreshing and revitalizing experience.
At the Essential Oil Advisor, we're dedicated to helping people navigate this vast world. We offer expert tips and personalized recommendations. How do you find the right essential oil for your needs?
I start by identifying the area I want to focus on, whether it's mood, skin, or sleep. Then, I research the oils that fit those needs. The reviews and profiles on our website are incredibly helpful.
And quality is key. We review top essential oil companies to ensure our community receives the highest quality products. Making informed choices is crucial, isn't it?
Absolutely. High-quality oils make all the difference. It's important to trust the source and know you're getting the best for your wellness journey.
We also encourage sharing experiences within our community. It's amazing what we can learn from fellow enthusiasts. Have any stories or tips stood out to you?
Yes, the story of someone who overcame insomnia with a simple blend of essential oils was inspiring. It's a testament to the power of nature's remedies.
Ready to dive deeper into essential oils? Visit the Essential Oil Advisor and explore the path to better health. Join our community and share your journey.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights. Together, we can unlock the potential of nature's remedies.
Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, keep exploring the world of essential oils and discover the benefits that await you.